Doppler effect in effect. Physics lesson 10.5. Amazing movie. All right. So the Doppler effect. This is going to occur whenever something that is making waves is moving, and it can either be the source that's making it or the observer. All right. And what's going to happen is those frequencies are going to change. So the speed of it doesn't change, but the frequencies actually change. The wavelengths get shorter or longer apart depending on the direction that the source or observer is moving. So if you think about this, there was a really big thing back in the 90s with Nerf. They had these Whistler footballs, and you could throw them and they go as it went across to the next person. It just sounded really cool. That's kind of the same idea. Or if you can't picture that because you were born in the 2000s and didn't have awesome Whistler footballs like all the cool people did, then think of a siren. If you hear a siren going by, you hear wee 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 as it goes by. Same idea. And for some reason, I'm still talking with my hands, even though you can't see me moving my hands at all. All right, because Camtasia has a horrible lag, so I'm just using my voice. When you're dealing with this, there are three things that you have to worry about. You have to worry about the velocity that the wave travels and the velocity that the object is traveling, as well as the velocity of the observer. There it goes. So think of a boat moving through water, think of a person moving through water. All great examples. All right. So this means that there's two frequencies. The frequency that the source is making and the frequency that is being observed. Overall, the big concept, the big takeaway from this is there's two changes in frequency that you can experience. Either the frequency is getting higher, which means that the source or the observer is moving closer to the sound waves, so the wavelengths are getting smaller, or the frequency is getting lower, which means that you're moving away. And interesting thing, as we move into light later on, the same thing applies with light. So if something is moving farther away, we call that a red shift, whereas something moving closer, we call that a blue shift. All right. Well, that was rather quick. So that was 10.5. I'll see you later. I'm going to talk for about 15 more seconds just so that I can say I made a 3-minute video. I don't know why I want to talk for another 8-9 seconds, but you know what? It is what it is. I really enjoy the taste of Mountain Dew. It's a delicious beverage. Okay, bye.